Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving deep into Aider, an AI pair programming tool that's making waves in the developer community. It's incredibly exciting.
I've heard whispers, but what exactly does it do? Is it just another code completion tool?
Oh, it's so much more than that. Aider lets you pair program with LLMs directly in your terminal, working within your local Git repository. Think of it as having a super-powered coding buddy right there with you.
So it's not just suggesting code, it's actively participating in the development process?
Exactly. You can ask it to add features, write test cases, debug, refactor code, even update documentation. It's amazing. It even automatically commits changes with sensible commit messages.
That's brilliant. What LLMs does it support? I'm assuming it's not limited to just one.
You're right, it's incredibly versatile. It works best with Claude 3.5 Sonnet, DeepSeek R1 and Chat v3, OpenAI's O1, O3 Mini, and GPT-4o, but it can connect to almost any LLM, including local models. The flexibility is a huge plus.
That's a lot of options. How easy is it to get started? I'm a bit of a newbie when it comes to setting up these kinds of tools.
Surprisingly easy. If you have Python 3.8 to 3.13, you can install it with a simple pip command. Then, it's just a matter of specifying the LLM and API key you want to use. Their documentation is quite thorough, with tutorials and even video guides.
I see. And it handles multiple files? That's crucial for larger projects.
Absolutely. It can edit multiple files simultaneously for complex requests. It even uses a map of your entire Git repo to understand the context better, which is a huge advantage when working on larger codebases.
That's impressive. Does it support all the major programming languages?
It supports Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, PHP, HTML, CSS, and many more. The list is constantly growing. It's really quite comprehensive.
Incredible. But I'm curious, what about its performance? How does it stack up against other similar tools?
Aider has one of the top scores on SWE Bench, a rigorous software engineering benchmark. It solved real GitHub issues from popular open source projects like Django, scikit-learn, and Matplotlib. It's not just hype, it's proven to be highly effective.
That's reassuring. And the user feedback seems overwhelmingly positive. I'm seeing comments about increased productivity and even life-changing experiences.
Yes, many users report significant improvements in productivity. Some even say it's like having a senior developer right in their Git repo. It's truly transformative for many developers.
This sounds almost too good to be true. Are there any limitations or drawbacks?
Well, the performance is heavily reliant on the chosen LLM and its API. Some LLMs might be more expensive than others. Also, while it's incredibly powerful, it's still an AI. You need to review and test its suggestions. It's a collaborative tool, not a replacement for human developers.
That's a fair point. It's a tool to augment, not replace, human skills. So overall, it seems like a game changer for developers.
Absolutely. Aider is a powerful and versatile tool that's already making a significant impact on the developer community. It's definitely worth checking out. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and goodbye.
Bye-bye.